Looking for the best cordless vacuum mop to keep your hard floors spotless? Stick around. We've tested and ranked the top models so you don't have to. Let's kick things off with the Shark Hydrovac. Coming in at the bottom of our list, this vacuum mop tries to do it all, but falls a bit short in some key areas. While it's lightweight and easy to handle, especially for quick cleanups, it struggles to keep up with tougher messes or larger spaces. But if you're looking for something basic and affordable, it might still fit your needs. Now, one thing that stands out is its stain boost mode, which delivers a heavier dose of cleaning solution to tackle messes. It's got LED indicators to show battery and tank levels, and the brush roll is treated with an antimicrobial coating to resist odor and mildew. It's a solid step above an old school mop and bucket, no doubt. That said, there are a few trade-offs. The runtime is short, about 20 minutes, and there's no vacuum-only mode, so you'll always be using solution whether you want to or not. The tanks are small too, which means more trips to the sink to refill and empty. This one is best for folks with small spaces or who just need a quick cleanup tool for sealed floors. It's not ideal for deep cleaning or bigger households with heavy traffic. And hey, if you're interested in checking out any of these products for yourself, you'll find links to all of them in the description below at the best available prices. Next up is the Tineco iFLOOR 3 Breeze. While it's not a huge leap forward in power, it's quieter, lighter, and better at drying floors than the Shark. It still doesn't have a vacuum-only mode, but what it does have is a self-cleaning system and better water recovery, which means fewer streaks and faster drying times. In day-to-day use, this one feels easier to push around thanks to its self-propelled design. It has a dual tank system, so clean and dirty water never mix, and at under 10 pounds, it's super manageable. For people who hate noise, this is a win. It runs quietly, which is perfect for early mornings or homes with pets. But again, runtime is limited to about 20 minutes, and the tanks are still on the smaller side. It's also not the best at tackling stuck-on messes or deep dirt. If you've got a busy household or a big cleaning job, this one might leave you wanting more. This one is perfect for apartments, smaller homes, or people who want a quiet cleaner that leaves floors dry. If you're enjoying the video so far, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a review. In third place, we've got the Bissell Crosswave. This is where things start to feel more premium. It offers both mop and vacuum mode and, get this, a dedicated vacuum only mode, which gives you more suction power when you need it. That's a big win if you want one device that can really handle both dry and wet messes. It also has a tangle-free brush that's great for pet hair, and a self-cleaning cycle to keep the rollers fresh. It comes with a sanitizing solution that helps kill bacteria, and a wide 12-inch cleaning path that lets you cover more floor faster. However, there are a few trade-offs. The 10.6-pound weight makes it a bit bulky, and the charge time is a full 4 hours. It also tends to leave floors a little wetter than some of its competitors, so keep that in mind if you hate waiting for floors to dry. This is a good fit for homes with a mix of floor types, like tile and rugs, and for folks who want that vacuum-only option without switching devices. Next up is the Roborock F25, one of the most powerful units in the lineup. With strong suction and hot water cleaning, it's designed for deep cleans on hard floors. You can run it for up to an hour on eco mode, which is impressive for a cordless mop vac combo. The flat reach design is super handy for getting under furniture, and the edge-to-edge roller design lets you clean right up to baseboards. One standout feature, it uses hot water to clean its own roller and dries it with hot air, making it one of the most hygienic options in this lineup. The catch? It doesn't have a vacuum-only mode, and it's louder than most of the others. If you've got pets or lots of crumbs, you might wish you could use that vacuum suction without also mopping. Still, this one is ideal for people who want a high-performance, feature-packed cleaner strictly for hard floors. If you like the idea of tech doing more of the work, this could be your match. And finally, we've reached the top of our list, the NARWAL S20 Pro. This thing is packed with smart features and thoughtful design. It's got the same 20,000 Pascal suction power as the Roborock, but with the bonus of intelligent dirt detection that adjusts the power based on how messy your floors are. It also has a self-drying roller that heats up to dry itself after every use, which is awesome for avoiding mold or odors. You get 5 cleaning modes, including a powerful vacuum-only mode and a super quiet operation, like just 43 decibels. That's quieter than a casual conversation. Downsides? It's on the pricier side, and the reverse cleaning action could be better. Still, for what it offers, the value is absolutely there, especially if you want low maintenance and smart automation. This is for busy families, tech lovers, or anyone who wants a quiet, self-managing floor cleaner with strong performance and modern features. So there you have it, the 5 cordless vacuum mops tested, ranked, and broken down for real-world use. If you want to grab any of the top models we covered today, check out the links in the description for the best prices. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews just like this.